Hello everyone, this is Jennifer from Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. Have you ever felt stuck when it came time to work in your own journal? Well, I'm back with another episode of Making Memories Mondays, and the thought behind it is to spend some time on Monday working in my personal journal and taking you along for the journey. Today I'm going to be working on a page to commemorate our Halloween party that we had on the 28th. It was a Rocky Horror costume party, and it was a lot of fun. There are a couple things I know that I want to include, and this is the next page in my spread, so I'm just going to do it on here. And there's a couple things I want to include. There's a tally sheet from a game we played. There's a playing card from a participation bag we had. I've got the invitation from the party here. Include that. And then I've got a picture of my daughter and I in our costumes, and I definitely want to include that. So I'm thinking, obviously this background that's on this page right now isn't going to go with the party theme, but I pulled out some Tim Holtz Halloween papers, and I was thinking of doing maybe this one on the back because I did it very gothic is how I decorated the house, and then doing a pocket with this to hold the ephemera I have. So I think I'll start with that, making a background and pocket. So I hope everybody's doing wonderfully today. I am doing well, thank you. Recovering from having visitors and parties, and my daughter and granddaughter were here, and it was amazing having them. It's so quiet now that they're gone. I don't even know what to do with myself. Okay, let's glue that down. I'm just using some tacky glue right now. We had a cold front come through. I'm having some issues with some of my glues, so using which ones will work. I say cold. It's cold for Houston. I think we were down in the 40s. Okay, I love this paper. I did lots of spider webs and black tablecloths and okay, it doesn't quite go to the bottom, but I'm going to put a pocket there, so that'll be okay. All right, and then I'm going to use this one for the pocket on the front, I believe. Trim that up just a little bit. Okay, and let's put a little notch in that. A little bit bigger notch. Okay, we're going to glue this on 3 sides, obviously. Oh, I kind of like that orange and black. I don't know. What do you think? Kind of like that. I think I'll use that sign. See if we can get this art glitter glue to work today. The struggle is real, folks, with this glue. I love it, but okay. So this party was pretty fun. We did a viewing of Rocky Horror on the side of the house after dark. Thought that was so fun. We had a projector and a screen on the house. Had a little bit of a sound problem. It wasn't very loud. That was the only thing, but I think we still had a good time. All right, so we've got that. And then I'm going to cut out this picture of my daughter and I. She was Columbia and I was Magenta. If you've ever seen the movie, I'm sure you can tell by our costumes who we were. If you haven't seen it, it's a cult classic. And then this will be cool because I'll be able to write on the back of this about the party. And I printed this on matte photo paper. It's good for writing on. Keeps the gloss down too. Okay, that fits. Now I'm thinking about somehow maybe making a ring out of these things and then sticking them in there together if they all fit, and then doing a cluster on here. That's what I'm thinking of right now. Maybe I'll put the card in the back and have this showing on the front. That's what I'm thinking of. Okay, so I'm going to punch this with my crocodile. On the smallest hole punch. Make sure everything's lined up there. Okay. And then let's find a ring or a brad or something to put in there. I think a tiny brad would work. I don't want anything bright. Oh, here we go. I've got these tiny long fasteners from Tim Holtz. I'll do one of those. There. So we've got the picture, the invitation, the card. So we had participation bags with playing cards, water bottles, birdseed, toilet paper, everything. Man, they trashed our yard. It was so fun. We were throwing birdseed at each other and spraying each other with the water bottles. Oh my God, it was so fun. And then I've got this pair of lips, which is iconic for Rocky Horror. And I want to do them in a cluster down here, I think. That has to be on the page. What did anybody else do for Halloween? Does anybody have any fun Halloween stories? Anybody go to a party or have a party? I had so many things going on with my granddaughter being here. I've got plenty to share with you over the next couple weeks. Okay, I've got some, let's see, old book page here, Pride and Prejudice book page, actually. I've got some black lace, which I thought would look great with this. And maybe a sentiment on here. I think that looks really cute. Very Rocky Horror-ish. And let's go ahead and ink this with black soot. Or some black ink anyway. I know I've got some black here. Here we go. What do we have? Memolux. Memento Lux. Ink around the edges a little bit. I'm going to tear this edge off. I don't like that straight edge there. Okay, we'll glue that down. Hope you're finding value here today. If so, please go ahead and hit the like button. I really appreciate that. Okay, trimming that edge off the lace. Let's see what we have here. Okay, and then we've got our lips. All right, let's see what we can find for a sentiment. Something funny would be good. Are these the funny ones? It's the little things that make life big. Hold tight and pretend it's a plan. That could certainly go for that day. I kind of want the, it's not your circus. It's not my monkeys. It's not my circus or something like that. Here we go. Here's the funny ones. Why limit happy to an hour? Okay, I love that one. Who left the bag of idiots open? Okay, that's not very nice. I'm not putting that about my friends. I meant to behave, but there were too many other options. Okay, that's a good one. That suits the night. Okay, put some more glue on that. Doesn't look the best because it's so long, but it does suit the night. We had so much fun. And I'm so happy my daughter was here. We had a good time together. I wonder if I could cut this up a little and then make that look a little better. Like I meant to behave. Yeah, I kind of like it like that. All right. And that is the page that I've completed. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way here so you can see it. Hope you found some inspiration here today. I've linked the video below for the 1,000 subscriber contest so everyone gets a chance. And remember to subscribe if you haven't done so yet so you can get more videos of other junk journal ideas. Please visit me at my Etsy shop, which is also linked below. And that's all for now, everybody. Bye. Have a great day.